Hi everyone, this is Mr. T, the president of Power English course all over Madagascar. The first part of this video is dedicated to all advanced English speakers who are interested on a cruise ship job in America. And the second part of this video is dedicated to those who don't speak English yet. As you know, there is the first recruiting company named CSS International Madagascar. That is the recruiting company for Royal Caribbean. As far as I know, there is more than 260 Malagasy people who are already on board. They sent those people since February 2022. And as far as I know, they still need more than 1,000 Malagasy people to be sent on board for this year. And now is the time the campaign for the recruitment is open again. CSS International Manning Madagascar is ready to do the pre-selection, and it's open for those who are interested. Feel free to contact us. We have a special preparative class for prior to face the job interview. We have a center. We have a Power English course center all over Madagascar, such as in Tuamasina, Tananarivo, and Majunga. The other center will open soon and very soon. Thank you for listening. Falmiraba ni vahoaka Malagasy, Mr. T, president ni Power English course. Ny Power English course dia miara-miasa amin'ny CSS International izay recruteur ny Royal Caribbean. Araka ny vaovao marim-pototra dia efa mihoatra ny 260 malgasy no efa ampirinasa amin'izany Royal Caribbean zany nanomboka tamin'ny février 2022. Araka ny vaovao marim-pototra ihany koa dia mbola mitady plus de 1000 malgasy ry zareo amin'ity 2023 ity. Misokatra ny campagne ny recrutement izay karakarain'ny CSS International Manning Madagascar. Raha ohatra ka matsapa tena fa mafeno fepetra, manana bon niveau d'anglais farafaratsiny, dia misy ny cours préparatoire iarahana amin'ny Power English course manerana Madagascar. Alohany hiatrehana an'izay entretien d'embauche izay. Raha ohatra ka liana dia aza misalasala tongava manantona ny Power English course. Misy ny ao Toamasina, ex-Norotel Anjoma, ampita ny Albarakat, PEC Majunga ao amin'ny Maison des Jeunes à côté EPP Barday en Pasque. Power English course Antananarivo ao amin'ny à côté Telma Shop en face ny Cosmopolite. Ho an'ireo izay mbola matsapa tena fa tsy mahay, mbola faible niveau d'anglais, dia misy ny cours d'anglais azo antoka amin'ireo centre izay efa voalazako teo ireo. Misy ihany koa ny cours ny formation spéciale bateau de croisière iarahana amin'ny Power English course. Tsy adino ny mampafantatra anareo fa efa mihoatra ny 570 ny mpianatry ny Power English course izay efa ampirinasa amin'izany bateau de croisière izany. Ka eto zany manentana anareo tongava manatona ny Power English course akaiky anao indrindra raha ohatra ka liana ka dia misaotra ny haino hatramin'ny farany. Veloma.